Hey guys, today we're on step 2 of the elevator assembly. We're going to cleco and rivet together this gusset channel to the main spar and the elevator hinge bracket number 3. So let's go ahead and do that.
For real-time updates on the build, please follow me on Instagram, brads_aviation_channel. Also follow my builder's blog at bradslingtsi.wordpress.com. The elevator step 2 took 30 minutes to complete. Total build time so far is 47 hours. Please like this video. If you have any questions for me, leave it in the comments below. Subscribe and hit that bell so that you'll receive notifications. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next week.